I'm Kim Unger. I'm the marketing coordinator at the Pace of Richmond. I basically bring a lot of brand awareness to our team as far as like the look of our brand, the culture of our brand. We say a lot of times that our main goal is to help our clients, whether it be with real estate goals, wealth, or just their lifestyle. So we try to bring a lot of that to our marketing. I feel like as a marketing coordinator, it's always exciting to see the value we bring. We cover a wide range, not just Richmond, but surrounding counties. So having to know different markets, it's really cool to see our agents do that while I'm on the back end, also working the marketing and having to deep dive into knowing what the market is doing and trying to put that out to our clientele so they're always in the know. I love the creative aspect of my job. I also love the people I get to work with. I feel like I've grown a lot as a person since being on the team. I think I've been here for about 3 going on 4 years now. Since then, I've bought a house, so creating a little wealth of my own. I've grown my family, and it's because of them and the life I'm able to build on this team. They help me plan out my future in ways I didn't think of before. I trust them with my own real estate needs. I've seen how they work, and as far as the culture, they really care about their clients and their futures. So it's really cool to see, and it's definitely something I like being a part of.